Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about ServiceNow Lens. What is ServiceNow Lens? How to use it and set up on our system. Let's talk about Lens. It is a tool that uses AI to understand and act on visual data like images, screenshots to automate the task and to improve user workflow. It can scan artifacts, extract informations, and automatically fill out forms, reducing manual efforts and improving productivity. Lens can understand images, screenshots, emails, handwritten notes, and even websites, extracting relevant information and automating tasks based on that data. We will be covering handwritten notes in the ServiceNow Lens. Now let's start setuping Lens. First, we will go on the system application. Under system application, you have to go on inside all. Here you can search for the ServiceNow Lens. For me, it is already installed. So let me show you here. This is ServiceNow Lens which I have already installed. If you have any problem in finding out the ServiceNow Lens, you can directly find out using the table sn underscore ai underscore lens. You can install the ServiceNow Lens. Once the ServiceNow is installed, let's move to system admin. Now assist system admin. Here is the Now Assist admin where you can see all the plugins, all the setups which you have installed related to AI. Inside this, you have to go under Now Assist skills. Then you have to go under platform. Here you will see the ServiceNow lens and you have to turn that on. Let me find out here. Here it is. ServiceNow Lens. For you guys it will be here, it will be written turn on. You guys can turn on and your ServiceNow Lens will be turned on for you. If you guys have any problem like the ServiceNow Lens is not visible for you, you can just log in or log out once your plugin is set up. Once the ServiceNow Lens is available for you guys, you just can go and download the lens from the navigation bar. As you can see ServiceNow Lens, below that you will see downloads. So for downloading the ServiceNow Lens, download, if you have Windows, you can click here and download the ServiceNow Lens. It is downloading on my folder. And if you have Mac, then you can download from here. So for me, it is already installed for me. Let me show you how it is visible. So once it is installed, it is set up on your system. The ServiceNow Lens will be looking like this. If I will double click, I will open it. It will show the lens like this. You just need to add your instance URL and you have to proceed. So for me, it is installed. Now let's move on to any table. Like you can go on any table and you can create anything using lens. For example, you can go on the incident table, create a new incident by just scanning. Once the lens is set up, you will also the like create with lens. If I click on create with lens, I want to create an incident using lens. So this is the basic structure. What I will do, I will just open this. Let the scan be open. So here a pop-up message is, do you want to open the ServiceNow Lens? Let's open this. For you guys, you will see the ServiceNow Lens is open. You just need to open any PDF. As I told in this lecture, we will be using handwritten notes. So this is some brief descriptions about an incident like ATM not dispensing cash but account denied debited. Sorry. Description: customer tried to withdraw the amount and the sector A. They on the category you will see hardware, ATM softwares, urgency is high, location is this. So what I will do, I will just scan this. I will do analyze. It will analyze the whole notepad handwritten description and it will go and clone to my incident. Incident form successfully filled by now assess. Now let me go to the incident form. Here is our incident form. You can see we have written the short description. Let me open the notepad. ATM not dispensing cash but account debited. As you can see, ATM not dispensing cash but account debited. In the description, you will see this. In the urgency, you will see high, as we already mentioned. So this is by scanning this whole handwritten notes. It is directly taking all the data of the incident from here to our ServiceNow platform. So this is a very useful tool to automate your things. And I will just click submit. Let me add a caller. Now let's submit the form. Here you can see I have selected the caller. Now let's submit the form. So once submitting the form, you guys can see the form has been submitted. As I have submitted, it has taken me to the previous form. So your form has been submitted. Very like helpful tool. We can directly handwritten notes. We can also scan an email. We can scan a PDF. We can also scan a JSON. Like everything we can scan and we can just automate our things by using the ServiceNow Lens. Let's move to the problem. It is not. I have just told you one example of the problems. As you can of the incident. As you can see in the problem listing, you also see the create with lens. So it is available in all the tables. Create with lens. So by using the create with lens, you can create problem, incidents, tasks, or anything which is the ServiceNow is providing. So this is a very helpful tool. So that's all, guys, related to the ServiceNow Lens. Hope you guys like this lecture. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, guys.